Rigil Marine proudly presents another milestone in our journey of engineering excellence and international trust. We are pleased to announce the successful dispatch of the Alfa Laval Decanter, Type NX 418, fully refurbished and performance optimized by Rigil Marine, to our valued client in Turkey for mud pressing operations. Each unit we deliver undergoes a rigorous process of technical assessment, precision assembly, and quality assurance to ensure it meets OEM-grade standards and delivers long-term reliability in demanding applications. The Alfa Laval NX 418 Decanter features a 418mm hole diameter, high-speed operation up to 4,500 RPM, and a throughput capacity of up to 20 cubic meters per hour, making it ideal for sludge and drilling mud separation. Our engineering team conducted complete calibration, dynamic balancing of the pole, gear alignment, and performance testing under load conditions, ensuring seamless operation upon installation. To guarantee secure global transport, the decanter was professionally packed using moisture-resistant wrapping, cushion support, and container loading according to international export standards. This dispatch marks another successful export from India to Turkey, reinforcing Rigil Marine's commitment to delivering excellence beyond borders. We sincerely thank our Turkish partners for their continued trust in Rigil Marine's refurbished solution for critical separation applications. Contact Rigil Marine for refurbished marine and industrial equipments at info@rigilmarine.com.